Hello, teacher. In today's video, I'm gonna make a quick demo of the Lab3. Let's start with the storefront must be running in the browser. So from Azure Static Web App. So here is the storefront. I'm gonna refresh it again. This is where I created from the Microsoft Azure. So here is my storefront and here's the link. So next, the deploy URL of the other service and product services shown briefly in the Azure portal or terminal. So for those two, the other services, I'm gonna quickly show from the overview. So here is the URL for the other services. And right here, I have the URL of the product services right there. And I can, let's continue for now. And the next thing will be a confirmation that environment variable are configured. So show environment variable set in Azure Web App setting for the backend services. So for those environment variables, let's start with the other service one here. So environment variables this is what I set up for the other services. So I have the port. I can show the port here, 3000, and I have the RabbitMQ connection string as well right here. And for the product services, environment variable is right there. So I have the port also running on 3030 and the RabbitMQ as well. All right, so the next demo will be a demonstration that we start from load product from the product services. So to do that, I will show quickly I can add another product to the product services right here. Um, oops, um, here I'm gonna call it number 5, and here I'm gonna call it our item for the pet will be, let's say, uh smartwatch, and the price will be 900, for example. So I save that. Okay. So bash, I save that right there. So let me check the status of my. Okay, so I'm gonna commit it, git add stage the file first, and then git commit um, added smartwatch. Okay, and I commit that, and I'm gonna push it, git push. Login with my credential and gate. So right here, now I'm gonna show how is being deploying on my the storefronts on my product services. So here we can see that there is an action going on there. So add smartwatch here. I'm gonna click it. The build is still going on. Okay. So I'm gonna refresh. See. Okay, so this might take a little bit of time here. So let me back here on my codes. and in action, add this smartwatch, still on. Okay, let me see what we have there. Okay, it's about to start running. Okay, action again. Alright, so let me refresh here. I'll refresh here on my product services here. Let me see what's going on here. Everything is successful here normally. Let me just close this tab. I'm gonna check again. Okay, status here. Everything is correct. Okay, I think that was holding. I see what was the issue, so I just ran a Python command like that, and that was the issue actually. So we can see, let me refresh again, that the product now is being deploying. So we finished with the job build already. Now the deploy is still going on. So let's wait for the deploy stage here. Okay, so normally this might take like a couple of seconds or minutes. Let's wait and see. Okay, so this is just to recall that this is the demonstration of the storefront loading product from the product services. Okay, so after this will be deployed, so I will back here into the storefront. I will refresh my storefront page here. So normally here we have 4 products. So once the deployment will be completed, I suppose to have here 5 items listed here. So let's double check again here. It's still going on. All right, so it's been successfully deployed. So let me back here. It might take some time to revert back in my storefront here. So let me just refresh a couple of times and try to visit again. So I'm gonna refresh from here as well. Oh, there we go. So I'm gonna close this one. So here we go, the smartwatch. So here we have it. So the next thing will be another to demonstrate that another is placed through the other services. So let me place another here, 3. So here we have the successful messaging order for 3 smartwatch placed successfully for a total of 2700. Okay, so that is completed, and now we need to show also that the other service successfully communicate with RabbitMQ. So right here I have my RabbitMQ, so I can show also that this is my 11th order that I place. So let's make more place more orders so that we get more traffic in RabbitMQ. Alright, so I'm gonna add here 10, gonna place those all, and again a smartwatch 20. Alright, so right here we can see that there are a lot of traffic going on my RabbitMQ here. So the number of total order increased to 14. All right, so that's pretty much everything for now. Let me check again. Computer is dedicated. So message additive algorithm queue. All right, so that's pretty much everything for today, and thank you again, Professor, for watching this video.